Good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for gathering here on such a short notice. My name is Tawil Khusro. Being a part of KLF, I welcome all of you to this media conference for Kashmir Literature Festival 2025, which will be held in the SKICC on the 11th and 12th October. Invite our first speaker to address us, Ms. Naira.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. My name is Naira Manzoor and I am a representative from Sri Kula Foundation. As I am here before you today, it gives me immense privilege to not only be the member of Sri Kula Foundation but also as someone who is deeply associated with reviving the intellectual and cultural legacy of Kashmir. About Sri Kula Foundation, Sri Kula is a non-profit organization which aims to create strength, to preserve and promote knowledge, and to spread it widely. And Kashmir Literature Festival is one of our proud initiatives to do so. Now, what does Sri Kula mean? I will not get into the textbook meaning of it. I will not delve into the nitty-gritties of it because that information you will find in abundance in social media on Google. As they say, वक्त कलील और कहानी तवील है, कहना बहुत कुछ है लेकिन रहने दीजिए. So I would rather choose to speak on the spirit of Sri Kula Foundation. I'm sure most of you, in fact all of you, must have heard from your grandparents, from your parents, about the rich culture and heritage of Kashmir. You must be knowing that Kashmir, back in the days, it was known as Boston of the East. When I talk about it today, I cannot forget when Sayyid Ali Hamdani said that when you sow knowledge, you reap peace. So, ladies and gentlemen, our past was glorious, our present is resilient, and our future should be, must be luminous. And that can only happen when all of us dare to share our story. And that's what we're doing at Sri Kula Foundation through Kashmir Literature Festival. And I openly and humbly extend you an invitation to be a part of it and to promote the noble cause. Thank you so much.
This is the second edition of Kashmir Literature Festival, which is going to happen on 11th and 12th of October at SKIC Srinagar. जो कश्मीर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल है, इसका पहला एडिशन, इसकी शुरुआत हमने इनाग्रल एडिशन लास्ट ईयर दिसंबर में, हमारी एक छोटी सी कोशिश थी कश्मीर में एक लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल स्टार्ट करना. जो आप सबको पता होगा, कश्मीर में लिटरेचर एक रिच हेरिटेज रहा है. कश्मीर सूफीज़म, एक लिटरेचर और इंटेलेक्चुअल हिस्ट्री रही है कश्मीर की, एक बहुत रिच हिस्ट्री. उसी कश्मीर की इंटेलेक्चुअल रिच हिस्ट्री को, यहाँ के लिटरेचर को हम रिवाइव करने की एक कोशिश हमने इस साल फिर से स्टार्ट की है. हमारा सेकेंड एडिशन इंशाल्लाह 11th and 12th अक्टूबर को SKICC में हो रहा है, इन विच देयर आर एमिनेंट ऑथर्स, स्कॉलर्स, intellectuals, personalities from across the country who are going to take part in this festival. And therefore we invite everyone to be part of this event. And here many students from various institutions are going to take part in it, and they are going to have a dialogue with various intellectuals. We have our favorite speakers out there, like we have former Vice Chancellor Kashmir University Khurshid Andrabi Saab, we have JK Bank MD Amitabh Chatterjee ji, we have noted Kashmiri writers like Nirja Matuji, who is part of our Kashmir literature speaker panel. We have our chief guest, Honorable LG Saab, is going to open the festival on 11th October at 10 a.m. एंड हम कश्मीर के लोगों को ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि कश्मीर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल एक कश्मीर का इवेंट है, कश्मीर के लोगों का इवेंट है. का एक रिच हेरिटेज रहा है, यहाँ का एक कल्चर रहा है, उस कल्चर को हम रिवाइव करना चाहते हैं, वही हमारी कोशिश है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, आपके थ्रू मीडियम, आपके मीडियम से, मीडिया इज़ द फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, सो आपके मीडियम से हम कश्मीर के लोगों को बोलना चाहिए, आइए कश्मीर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल का पार्ट बनिए, कश्मीर की आवाज़ को फिर से आगे बढ़ाइए. हम कश्मीर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल एक ज़रिया बनना चाहते हैं, कश्मीर की आवाज़ को दुनिया तक पहुंचाए. कश्मीर के young authors are being part of it. There are so many youngsters who are going to be part of it. They are going to volunteer for the festival, and we welcome you all to be part of this great initiative which is led by Sri Kula Foundation. Thank you.